Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we've built an 18,650 lithium battery charger. In the video, I've explained everything in complete detail, step by step, and at the end I've shown you a testing demonstration. Let's start the video. We've taken a PVC pipe and marked it accurately using an inch tape and a pencil. Now we'll cut the pipe along these markings using a blade. Next, we'll use a heat gun to soften the pipe and shape it into a neat choker-style form. So this part is now completely ready. Now, we need to create two square sheets from the PVC pipe exactly like this one. After that, we'll mark precise guidelines using a pencil. Make sure to follow the markings exactly as I'm showing you. Wherever we marked using the pencil, it's time to bring in the blade. We're making clean, sharp cuts with full precision. We'll need two key components to bring this project to life, making sure they are firmly fixed. Place the connected battery holders inside the PVC sheet and secure them with glue so they remain in place. After that, you'll need to make the electrical connections for the battery holders. Follow the same connection method shown, presumably in accompanying instructions or a diagram, to complete this step correctly. Next, you've used a battery charging module bend down. After that, an RGB LED is needed. As you can see, the entire wiring diagram is clearly displayed. The blue wire will be removed as it's not required for your purpose. You should follow the on-screen diagram step by step for clarity. Once the wiring is properly set, the next step is soldering. And now, soldering is successfully completed. We've integrated two battery charging modules into this setup for efficient power management. As we put the finishing touches on the rest of the circuit, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to like it. Once that's done, you'll move on to connecting the battery holders. Simply connect the positive and negative wires from the output terminals and properly align. We've now incorporated a micro switch sensor into our setup. Let's swiftly proceed to complete its wiring connections. Next, I've added a voltmeter to enable real-time monitoring of the battery voltage. So let's also complete the connections for both the voltmeter and the switch sensor. We'll connect both positive wires from the switch button to the positive terminals of the battery holder. Now let's securely place the switch sensor and the voltmeter inside the casing. Carefully fit them into the empty slots, just the way I'm showing you here. Once placed correctly, next, we'll fix the battery charging modules inside the body. Got it. Finally, connect all the negative wires together and then all the positive wires together. Next up, we're adding the charger circuit to your setup. It's smart that you're reusing an old mobile charger's internal circuit. Simply join the negative terminal of the charger circuit and the positive terminal to your main positive line jets. Neatly bundle and cover all the wires using insulation or heat shrink tubing. Go ahead and apply a nice coat of spray paint or finish it with a smooth surface treatment. The main body of the device is now being securely fixed in place, following your step-by-step guidance. Power plug is being carefully and tightly installed into the sheet to ensure stability during use. Charger circuit wiring. The charger circuit wires are being connected to the plug terminals. Electrical tape is being used to safely cover all joints. The body is being closed with proper finishing. A screwdriver and screws are being used to neatly assemble and secure the entire case, ensuring both strength and a clean appearance. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'm here to help clarify anything for you. First, you took two lithium batteries and checked their voltages. You found that one battery gives you 2.7 volts and the other gives you 2.5 volts. Now you're going to try charging your lithium batteries. But before we move forward, my friends here, and yes friends, make sure to watch the video until the very end. We've successfully installed the lithium battery charger onto the board and the green indicator light is on, confirming active power. Before we proceed, here's an important detail. This system, with the help of a switch sensor, allows you to charge either a single battery or both batteries simultaneously with a simple control. How the switch sensor works. Middle position. Both batteries will charge simultaneously. Side position. It will charge a single battery at a time. Now, we'll leave the batteries on charge for a while. We've left the batteries on charge for a while. After some time, we checked the voltage and it has successfully increased to 3.8 volts. The project is complete. See you in the next one.